If you're looking to build strength and tone your muscles, two simple yet highly effective fitness tools are a toning tube and a hand gripper. A toning tube, also known as a resistance band or tube, is an excellent tool for targeting various muscle groups. Made from durable, elastic material, it offers adjustable resistance that helps with strength training, flexibility, and overall muscle toning. Whether you're focusing on your legs, arms, or core, these tubes add that extra challenge to your routine. Build strength. The variable resistance makes it easier to adjust the intensity, allowing for progression in strength training. Versatile workouts, ideal for various exercises like bicep curls, squats, leg lifts, and shoulder presses. Portability, lightweight, and easy to pack, a toning tube is perfect for travel or home workouts. The hand gripper is a powerful yet simple tool that focuses on strengthening your grip, forearms, and fingers. Using this tool regularly can enhance your grip strength, which is crucial for other workouts, sports, and daily activities. Increase grip strength, perfect for athletes, weightlifters, or anyone looking to improve their hand strength. Forearm toning. Target the muscles in your forearms and increase endurance for better performance in sports and strength training. Convenient and portable, the hand gripper is compact and can be used anywhere, from your office to the gym. Both the toning tube and hand gripper provide a functional and efficient way to enhance your strength training without the need for heavy equipment. These tools are suitable for beginners, intermediates, and advanced fitness enthusiasts. They offer a low-impact way to tone your body, improve flexibility, and develop endurance, all while fitting seamlessly into any workout. Add a toning tube and hand gripper to your fitness collection today. Whether you're looking to build muscle, improve your grip, or simply add variety to your workouts, the toning tube and hand gripper are fantastic, cost-effective options to include in your fitness arsenal. Try them out today and feel the difference in your workouts.